Alright, so these are the two little pit bikes that me and my brother decided to buy. They're Coolster 50cc pit bikes. I think that's just a little Chinese brand, but they've held up pretty well so far. I weigh 160, and they hold me just fine. I'm 5'11". I mean, it's kind of difficult to ride, but they're fun. And if you sit at the back of the seat, you can pop wheelies on them too. They're pretty easy to start up too. I'll show you. And they're 2-stroke, so they got a little more power than 4-stroke. Just pull start. So for a little 50cc pit bike, they go pretty quick. I'd say they probably do like 30, maybe 35 max. I think I would probably buy them again. Yeah, I would buy them again. They were only $3.25, I think, with free shipping. So I think it was a pretty good deal. I'm just going to set the camera up right here and I'll go by, just see if I can get your speed. Yeah, so I mean, for the money, these bikes they're pretty good. It's got a kill switch, which I personally like. It's not too much assembly. It only took about, I don't know, probably 20 minutes per bike. But once you already do it once, then you pretty much know how to do the second one. They've held up pretty well so far. I mean, I just got them to kind of beat on them. I'm probably even gonna ride them through the winter and everything. But yeah, these are little 50cc two-stroke bikes, and I would definitely recommend them. The gas tank's a little bit small, but I mean, it's a pretty small bike in general, so can't really complain. And it looks pretty nice. Everything's good. The frame just looks really small. The next thing that I'm probably gonna do is go through and put new nuts and bolts on it, because the cheap ones that came with it are not so good. But I mean, they've held up. I haven't had them for too long, so they're still pretty new. But other than that, I like them. It's just one gear, unfortunately. That'd be I would prefer to shift. I might actually go and spend a little bit more money on something that you can shift, like a 70cc or something. These are pretty small, unless you just want like a little kid to learn or something. There's no clutch, just two brakes. They call it an automatic because there's basically only one gear. But yeah, they're pretty cool for their size too. They didn't really have a problem going through the grass, and yeah, not at all really. But sometimes that wheel will shoot up, the front wheel will shoot up on you, and you gotta kind of be careful. Especially if you're leaning back, because there's no weight to these things. They weigh about 35-40 pounds each max. I can lift them very easily. So I haven't really gotten them off the ground or anything yet, and I don't think I'm going to. But I mean, I guess you probably could if you want, because they're pit bikes and they're made to be beaten on. But yeah, this is my review of the 50cc Coolster pit bikes.